Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You need Node, JS, and VS Code. Once installed, open VS Code and create a new project folder. Make sure Node is on your path so you can run Node in the terminal. Next, install the ESLint and Prettier extensions for immediate linting and formatting. Now open the integrated terminal in VS Code, run npm initY to create package, JSON, and save a simple index.js file. This gets you from 0 to an executable JavaScript environment quickly. Once you have index.js, write a short console log statement to verify everything works. Then, in VS Code's integrated terminal, run node index.js. This confirms Node executes your file. Make sure autosave is on so you don't run outdated code. Configure a basic launch. JSON using the debug pane to run and step through code with breakpoints. Also enable source maps for transpiled languages. These steps let you iterate rapidly and inspect values while you develop. To finish, add npm scripts like start and test so you can run tasks with npm run start. This standardizes execution. Run ESLint and fix problems shown in the problems pane to maintain code quality. When things go wrong, first restart VS Code and your terminal. Many path changes require a restart. If Node is still not found, verify Node's install path is in your system path variable, reinstall if necessary, and ensure the terminal type matches your shell settings in VS Code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.